Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 10th of June, Thursday 2021, and most of my traders bank amazing profit today guys. Let me share with you how I analyze live market and help my traders to bank amazing profit and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so EURUSD, if you look at, we haven't seen any clear direction. We only had two trades, I believe, and most of them we came out at the break even, but we have amazing trades on pound, which is I'm going to show you later. Let's dig into the EURUSD. As you can see, we were short from yesterday, banked beautiful pips. Today we were expecting a pullback. We had a very small short pullback which technically came out at the break even. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. If you look at here, EURUSD, we had only two short trade, which is technically we came out at the break even. So we already have developed mindset short today, but if you look at today, we had this short pullback short trade. This is the analysis just before London Open. We had a beautiful small short trade. We were expecting some nice big move, but as you can see here, price nicely respected the 200 EMA in 4 hour, which technically later stage you can see we came out at the break even. So another analysis at the New York session, we can see here, even if you look at in 4 hour, we don't see any clear direction. We were expecting after this bullish candle might gonna break this level, but as you can see here, price nicely respected. We haven't seen any breakout. We have this small breakout, which technically came out of the break even. So EURUSD, we haven't seen any interesting trade. We had a two small short trade, but we came out of the break even, but we had amazing trades on pound dollar. All right, so let's dig into the pound dollar. We had a beautiful short trade this morning, guys. As soon as the price respected this level, as you can see here, yesterday we had this short trade here, price nicely broken after the breakout, price nicely retest. We take a short trade and keep taking a pullback short trade. As soon as the price hit this level, which is 148.22, and if you look at here, as soon as the price hit this level, support level, and if you look at here, beautiful downside channel pattern, as soon as the price hit this level, and that's the time. Even if you look at here in 4 hour, we had a 200 EMA, so we closed all our trades, banked beautiful pips, and then later on we took a counter long trade and we just keep banking since in the morning and banked beautiful pips. Let me share with you all that analysis from short and the long trade on the pound dollar. So if you look at here on the intraday analysis, and if you look at from the 4 hour angle, you can see here, this was we were short from yesterday. As you can see, we were short from yesterday. This morning, you can see here, this is another analysis I did. We were short from here, from full pullback. If you look at here, based on this analysis, as you can see here, price 4 hour broken and retest, and we had this beautiful pullback at this level. So that's basically, if you look at here, this one is here. So pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, which is technically 4 hour, in 4 hour, price nicely hit 200 EMA, and that's the time we explained to trader, guys, keep banking some profit and look for counter short trade instantly. As soon as we bank some profit, and we had a beautiful counter short trade, counter long trade, sorry, you can see here, and that was the counter long trade at this level, and this is basically at this level. As soon as the price hit 200 EMA, as explained to you, support level, and price hit to the fib channel, that's the time. And afterwards, I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit the 200 EMA, around 100 EMA, or in 4 hour, that's the time we explained to trader, it's time to consider banking some pips. So you can see we were short, bank some profit in the morning, and afterwards counter long trade and bank amazing profit. And at the New York session, you can see once we bank some profit, and that's what I explained to trader guys, just keep taking pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. As you can see here, we had this candle, which is the bullish engulfing candle. You can see here this candle rejection came out, and at the bottom price retest this level in 4 hour, and here you can see price retest this level, which is coordinate here with the 4 hour. That's what we explained to trader, and just keep taking a pullback and just keep taking a pullback. We have another pullback, we have another pullback. Beautiful. I said to trader, just keep taking it as long as the price gonna hit this level, then consider banking some pips. You can see here, as soon as the price hit this level and the New York session is about to close, and that's what I explained to trader guys, enjoy pipping and manage your trades and close or bank whatever they want to do it. But they had amazing, beautiful long trade, short trade, and long trade on pound dollar. So most of the traders, they really enjoyed today, especially banking pips on pound dollar. And that's what exactly we do guys every day, explain everything through based on the 4 hour price action and taking into the intraday analysis, refine our entries and exit. We had amazing trades. All right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD was okay. We haven't seen, as you can see here, we haven't seen any big moves, but we had a short trade this morning. As you can see, explained to my trader, price nicely respected resistance. We had a short trade here, bank beautiful pips. And let me share with you guys the intraday analysis, how we coordinate with the 4 hour price action. As you can see here, we had this short trade as soon as this morning, as soon as the price respected many level, and we look at in the 4 hour. If you look at here, this condition here in the 4 hour, beautiful. You can see here this consolidation, and the consolidation in intraday system, we explained to trader more likely is going to break and short trade. We had a beautiful breakout short trade here as soon as the price hit to this support level. That's what we explained to trader, it's time to consider banking some pips. So we had only one small short trade, and afterwards you can see here price developed, so it's no clear direction, but we managed only for small short trade on dollar CAD. If you look at here, not clear direction, so we're looking tomorrow this pattern breakout. Let's see traders tomorrow. We'll keep you updated. As I said to you guys, we are intraday traders, so we are looking at clear direction and valid in technical pattern which coordinate with the 4 hour price action. That's we take a trade. But if I show you all this pound yen trade, you can see here we had a beautiful, let me share with you the analysis guys. You can see here, if you look at here this morning, you can see this morning we were short 6 o'clock just before the London Open breakout, beautiful, bank some profit. Afterwards, as soon as the price developed, double bottom, and then we look at in 4 hour. If you look at here, this one price respected at the support level, which is 154.123 level, and that's what I explained to trader. Now it's time to, if the price gonna break, and after the breakout, if the price retest, then I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. What happened afterwards? You can see here price broken after retest and bang it, beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit before the price come down. We had amazing trades on pound yen too. As you can see afterwards, as always, looking another pullback. So we had amazing trades on pound yen. We had amazing trade on pound Swiss franc too. Let me share with you the guys pound Swiss franc. If you look at the pound Swiss franc, most of the pairs, if you look at here this morning, we were short based on the Asian session analysis, and afterwards, as soon as the price hit to the support level, as you can see here in 4 hour, which is 126.123 level, and as you can see here, price develop another sort of like inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's why we communicate our trader, look for this breakout. As you can see, we had a beautiful breakout, reversal, counter long trade. As soon as the price about to hit the 200 MA, explain to trader it's time to bank some profit, enjoy, and afterwards, as always, pull back. We have another small long pullback, long trade on pound sterling. All right guys, I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis. The most important thing is if you watch all that analysis in real time, and the bank profit, you know, alongside with my professional traders. So guys, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, my main objective, as I'm keep telling you guys, to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis, so they can develop their trading skill effectively. Once they develop their trading skills, once they prove us they're doing fantastic, we can also open door funding from prop firms. If you are interested how I train and coach my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform, feel free to book free one-to-one consultation, and my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So feel free to, guys, if you are interested, or even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading. Most of the traders are really enjoying it, peeping alongside with my professional traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.